happening right now. Lawmakers are debating the GOP tax bill on the Senate floor. Here's a live look in at that process. A final vote is expected later tonight. Now, as we keep a close watch on these latest developments, so are some local nonprofits. News Channel 5's Emily Luxon is at the Nashville Children's Theater, where some are concerned about how this bill could impact their bottom line.
Well, that's right. You know, like many nonprofits, they rely on donations, and people here are concerned about how that bill will impact the people who make the donations and the amount of money coming in, and the effect that that could have on the shows and services that tens of thousands of people enjoy here every year.
This is the Hill Theater, named for Ann Stallman Hill.
The Nashville Children's Theater has been entertaining generations since 1931.
The Children's Theater is the oldest professional children's theater in the United States.
But in between wrapping up the current production of Cinderella and preparing for the next show, people here are turning their attention to Washington and the vote on the GOP tax bill.
We've been watching the progress, and we've been in touch with our federal delegation to make sure that they know what the impact could be across our state, but specifically here in Davidson County.
The bill doubles the standard deduction, which could simplify your taxes, but it could also cause a significant decline in the number of taxpayers who itemize. Fears are it may provide less of an incentive for people to donate to nonprofits. Managing Director Noah Spiegel says some projections show it could impact up to $20 billion a year in donations nationwide.
It could be devastating, not only for the Children's Theater, but for Davidson County at large.
Donations make up about 30% of the annual budget at the Nashville Children's Theater and pay for programming for local families. Now the crew is reminding supporters there are multiple reasons to donate, not just for tax incentives.
We're hoping that people will connect to their organizations and continue to give generously, because a lot of the services that they've come to rely on the generosity of people who have the capacity to make charitable donations.
People here at the Children's Theater are still encouraging supporters to reach out to lawmakers to express their concerns about this bill. Now, the House did approve the bill earlier tonight, but due to a procedural snag, they will have to re-vote on it tomorrow. President Trump is expected to sign the bill into law right after the final votes. Reporting live at the Nashville Children's Theater, Emily Luxon, News Channel 5.
Emily, thank you. Developing